welcome to Adults Landis, your host, me, Jeff Landis. So today I'm going to get an exclusive interview with a brand new upcoming porn star. What do you mean, oh, porn star? So, yeah, what's going to happen is I'm going to interview the new porn star. Her name is Mother Nature. How you doing, Mother Nature? How you doing? So why do you want to get into porn, Mother Nature? Because you like to blow? I noticed you too, you're a little bit wet as well. You're wet. Mother Nature, you're wet as well. Is that true? Yeah, so Mother Nature is wet as well. So you like getting into porn, do you like to get wet? Who do you want to do a porn star? Who do you want to do a porn with, Mother Nature? They get more wet like that. Okay, she's blowing at me. So do you spit or swallow, Mother Nature? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is my interview with a brand new porn star named Mother Nature. So, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. See you later.